Hey y'all, today we're going to do a Philly cheesesteak casserole. It's really quick. So I went ahead and browned about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and it's can use a little bit more cooking, so we're going to add some other things to it, but I went ahead and drained that a little bit. So now I need to add about 2 chopped bell peppers. Y'all know I keep those frozen because I grow those. And about 1/2 of an onion chopped. And a clove of garlic, but I put a couple cloves in there. Okay, so you need to cook this until your vegetables soften a little bit. And then we can start the next phase of this. Okay, y'all, so I'm ready to go ahead and put this in a prepared pan. So you're going to need an 8x8 or a 9x9. I've never heard of a 9x9. The recipe calls for a 9x9 baking dish. I don't know what they're talking about, so we're just going to sit here. To me, actually, probably be putting a 13x9. So I'm not sure if that's a typo or what. So we're just going to go with it, and if I see that it's not going to work, then I will change it. Okay, so let me set this aside. So you're going to put your beef, pepper, onion, garlic mixture in a prepared pan. The pan was sprayed with cooking spray. So set that aside. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Do not set that aside yet. You're going to put slices of provolone all over this. I'm gonna put more than just 4 because it calls for just 4 because I want it extra cheesy. So you a small mixing bowl, and you're going to do the rest of the recipe in here, and then we're going to pour it over that. Alright, first things first, we need to add the eggs. Now, we raise our own chickens, and their eggs are quite large. So if you see me put less eggs in, it's only because of that. You still need to follow the recipe, okay? So I'm just going to put 3 eggs in the bowl. We need our cream, which heavy cream, you need 1/4 cup. Okay. Hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce and whisk it. I'm just going to put in however much I want to, but it's supposed to be a teaspoon of each. Any of your favorite hot sauce, I'm sure will work. And then Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of that. So about equal amounts. Okay. I'm gonna whisk that together. Just until it's mixed really well. Then you're going to bring back over your baking dish, and you're going to pour this egg mixture over the top. Okay. And you're going to bake this for 35 minutes or until the eggs are set on 350. And let it sit for a few minutes before you cut into it. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Okay, this is the Philly cheesesteak casserole after it's rested a little bit. You could stir in some mushrooms. I didn't think about that when I was doing it. That would be good if you like mushrooms. This is going to be the perfect keto casserole. Those in your family that, you know, are not keto, you could probably add like a rice to it. That would probably be really good add in for those people that can have carbs. Okay, I'll see y'all next time.